Alright, what's up everybody, and welcome to the Durham West by KB Homes, here in the southwest of the Las Vegas Valley. If you're just tuning into this channel for the first time, I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, your Las Vegas Realtor. So in this neighborhood you have a total of 5 different floor plans to choose from, starting from 1,455 square feet all the way up to 2,469 square feet. So the model that we're going to be touring today is the 2089 model here. Okay, this one right here starts off at $389,990. That's the base price, the starting price. You have an option from 3 to 5 bedrooms on here. 5 bedrooms on a 2,100 square foot home. That is very, very tight. I'd probably do 3 in a loft. A couple things here, if you guys are not aware, just want to show you here. We have a Rainbird. This is your sprinkler system, the valves right here. Okay, you got your pressure breaker valve right here. Okay, for the people that are just tuning in for the first time, so basically what this is that you have the water that goes through here, and what happens is you have a drip irrigation system. You don't want no air to come back into the line or contaminated water. So basically what this will do, it pressurizes the water flow. So if there's too much air into the system, this will pop up, water will just leak out. Okay, now this is pretty expensive, so you should have a cover for that. Got the air conditioning unit back there. You got your sensor, photo sensor, that turns on your light here for your address light. This builder, you do get the pavers. Reason why they give you pavers now instead of the concrete driveway is because it's gonna shift. They don't want to deal with it, so they figure, you know what, they're gonna spend a little bit more, give you the pavers, so that way when it expands and contracts, you will never get that crack. Alright, so let's go inside here. Let's see what type of upgrades they have. Let's walk through this home. A couple upgrades right now I can tell you is that you can see they have a push pad, right? With a key entry and a rekey. If you guys don't know what a rekey is, it allows you to use the same key. And if you have friends or family and want to use their keys, you can literally program that key for that door. Now this is also one of the popular models here, just due to the fact that you do have a room downstairs. It does feel a little bit cozy here, okay? Now remember guys, this is a brand new community. This is the only channel that brings you new communities, that's right. And we definitely would love the opportunity to earn your business. A couple upgrades here. The countertop, the faucet, the undermounted sink, okay? Also the cabinets here, the shaker cabinets. Now they're not full overlay cabinets, but they're one tier above the standard cabinets because everybody likes the white cabinets. So this gives you the faux look, that's what I like to say. You do have a nice 42 upper cabinets here with a 1-inch crown, okay? The doors have been an upgrade, and also the fixtures. One thing about KB Homes that you just need to be aware of, from my experience at the time of the build, every single build, okay? Look, if you guys go with the black fixtures, make sure the hinges are clean, okay? What happens is they put on the hinges, the painters come and just paint the door, and as you can see, there's still some paint on here, okay? But it's really up to you on how picky you want to be. So we do have the pantry with the chicken wire, okay? Now, a couple things here. We have the cabinet. Once you do the front cabinet, now it's all about the inside of the cabinet. So we have MDFs, side staple with the side glides, fast closing cabinets. You have the black hardware here. The stove, you have a couple upgrades that you can do. This is a tier package. So basically how they sell it, you get the standard and it just tiers up based upon what you want, okay? Now the other option that you can do is a cooktop. Typically, more modern, more clean style, everybody's doing the cooktop. What the cooktop is a 36-inch gas stove on the top, and you don't have this oven, but then you have a mounted oven underneath, okay? This should have an exhaust that takes it right out. Nice. The cabinet configurations, you have so many options you guys can do. We're not going to get into that just yet. So here's one of the bedrooms. Now this is a 10 by 10 bedroom, so it is a little bit tight. Okay. A couple options that you can do here. You can add the 4-can lighting, 2-can lighting if you choose to, or just a pre-wire for the ceiling fan. Okay. I would highly recommend at least get a pre-wire for the ceiling fan, and also figure out where you're going to put your Cat 6 and also your coax for your cable. Okay. You have your bathroom, full bath. Again, upgraded on the cabinets. That's an upgrade, folks. All right. Now, another thing that has been done here, you have standard baseboards. However, you have the 12 by 24 on the tile, 3/16 on the stagger. However, take a look at the grout lines here. Now, we talked about this. If you take a look, a lot of times, this is not going to be leveled. Okay, I can literally run my finger here and sharp, and it's really sharp. So if you're going to do tile, okay, I probably just do the bullnose tile on it versus the straight edge, because these guys are just going to come in and just lay it, right? And it's going to be very hard to fight them on that tile. So here's your little living room, little chill area. Sit down here for just a second here. Also, I just wanted to say thank you so much for all the love and support for all the people that have subscribed to our new channel, which is the Chakits 2.0. For some of you guys that have not caught up of what's going on, basically we did like a couple polls throughout the year, and 70% of you guys just want me to keep the channel as far as the video tour. So then we decided, you know what, we're just going to create a second channel. As soon as I mentioned that, a lot of you, so much support. I think we already have on the new channel, we had over like 1,400 subs with no videos, all right? No videos at all. So that just shows how much love and support. So in this new channel that we have, what is that channel about? It's just everything real estate. That's right, everything real estate. So it's how to make money in real estate, from commercial, apartment complex, right? If you want to become a realtor, right? Sales, it's everything. Real estate, financing, vlogs, lifestyles in Las Vegas. Also, we'll meet high-end luxury builders, right? It's also very educational. So if you're a true fan, go check that out. Chakits Krulsawat 2.0. What do you guys think about this pony wall right here? I kind of do like the pony wall. Could you take down this pony wall? Yes. But this right here, you may not be able to take this out. Okay. We got storage underneath the staircase here. You got the 2-car garage. This is locked, so we can't get inside. But now let's make our way upstairs. I'm gonna go a little bit slower because every time I walk up the stairs, I almost feel like I'm not losing my breath, but I'm out of breath. But what is weird is when I go to the gym, I'm running, pacing probably like 7 miles an hour. So we have a loft here. Now, this right here, this loft, could be a 5th bedroom. I would not make this a 5th bedroom, folks. You close this thing off, this thing is going to look so small, so do not do that. Just a recommendation if it was me. A couple things on the upgrade. Staircase here, stair railing. That's an upgrade. Now let's take a look. Orange peel texture. Let's take a look at this community for a second here. Not bad. Look at that. HOAs, $33 a month. No SIDS or LIDs here. Special Improvement District or Local Improvement District. That's great. Decent sized walk-in closet. So when you see a 3 rocker switch here, what does this tell you? One is for the half hot, one is for the light, for the ceiling fan, and one is for the fan itself. The energy efficiency of this home, typically I believe with KB homes are using radiant barrier. You need to double check if they still are using radiant barrier. Some builders can't obtain that. Okay. Also, what you notice, the PES Trex system that's actually in the walls, I believe they no longer have a contract with them anymore, so you don't even get that. So look, guys, if you guys are interested in purchasing a brand new home, contact me and my team. We definitely would love the opportunity to earn your business and literally walk you through the process. A couple things here I can already see. So these are things that you just got to take a look at. Okay, see how flat that is? So basically what's happening is they added the tub, the shower, okay? Next thing you know, they caulked right over this, and they just literally painted that. So you don't get that clean look. You have an option to do a double sink here. And also you can do lights like chandeliers if you choose to. Now this is a brand new community just opened. Early bird gets the worm. So what you're going to see right above me, you have this fan. You can barely hear it, but this fan should always be on, always, right? It takes out the moisture and also takes out the heat. Air condition, the attic is right above us. Here's a switch for it. Turn it off. Your smart panel box here. One thing on the smart panel box, make sure you get the Smurf tube out to the D-mark. Eventually you may have fiber optics, right? That's ran to the street. But you want to make sure you can pull that into your home, okay? Also, let's talk about the air conditioning unit. As you can see, you have a second thermostat here. So you need to find out, is this 1 zone, 2 zones, or 3 zones? What type of AC unit do you have, okay? What is the SEER rating on the AC unit, okay? You also need to find out where that primary is and also that secondary condensation line is located. Dude, I'm just dropping the knowledge on you guys today. That's right. Because I'm back. That's what this channel is about. Now, some of you guys, I don't want you guys complaining about, hey, I want the vlogs back. No, no, no. Check out the second channel. The people have spoken. So you got a couple options and configurations here. There's a lot of upgrades that have been done here. They did the spa shower here. Okay. Standard pan. Upgraded on the backsplash. You have the quartz, and also on the tub you have an option to do that frosted glass here too as well. You have the alarm system on all the doors, or on the windows, I'm sorry. A couple things here on the water closet. We have the tile, and you have a 18-inch. I would probably prefer a 24-inch, a higher toilet, so that way you don't have to squat. You have some nice Moen fixtures. Then you have your walk-in closet. Not bad, right? Also, if you guys want some custom closets, you're going to save a lot more money if you decide to do it after versus going through the builder. And make sure to check out my girl Pat from California. Oh, I'm sorry, not California Closet. Why am I plugging in California Closet? Closets of Las Vegas. That's right, Closets of Las Vegas. HOAs here, not bad. $33 a month. If you use their lender, according to the agent, you're going to get title policy and transfer tax. Pay for it. That's only about like $3,500. It's not much, but you got to run the numbers. Make sure you're getting a lending estimate. Okay. By the time you're into this deal with the price of this home, you'll probably be into about $450 with a great budget. Okay. On this one, you don't have to do a drawing. There's a priority list. I'm going to show you how to get on that priority list to force yourself to get on top of the list. That's right. I can help you. There's a way to do it. So give me a call. Definitely love the opportunity to earn your business. Also, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to this channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, and have a blessed day, folks. Did you like that video home tour? Are you a fan of this channel and you want to get plugged into the real estate market? Well, I got something for you. We have a new channel, real estate, vlogs, Las Vegas lifestyle, behind the scenes, financing, flipping, commercial properties, interviews, local businesses, Chakits Krulsawat 2.0. Check it out.